Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to solve the exercise 3.7 optional. Now first you like and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Okay, now exercise 3.7 question number 1. First read these questions. Your questions are given below. The age of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. मीन्स दो फ्रेंड्स हैं अनी और बीजू, उनकी एज का जो डिफरेंस है वो 3 इयर्स है. अनीज फादर धर्म इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज अनी एंड बीजू इज ट्वाइस. मीन्स अनी का जो फादर है धर्म वो अनी की एज का 2 टाइम्स है एंड बीजू इज द ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज हिज सिस्टर कैथी. मीन्स बीजू जो है वो अपनी सिस्टर कैथी का 2 टाइम्स है. द एज ऑफ कैथी एंड धर्म डिफर बाई 30 ईयर्स. मीन्स कैथी और धर्म की एज का जो डिफरेंस है वो 30 ईयर्स है. नाउ फाइंड द एज ऑफ अनी एंड बीजू. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट लेट एज ऑफ अनीज बी x years, एज ऑफ बीजू बी y years. Now according to question, so x minus y is equal to 3, equation number 1, where x is greater than y, means Ani is greater than Biju. Now similarly age of Ani's father 2x, age of sister Kathy, Biju's sister, age of Biju's sister Kathy y by 2. Now once again according to the second question, the difference of the age of Dharam and Kathy by 30 years. Now find the age of Aniz and Biju. Now age of Dharam 2x minus age of Kathy y by 2 is equal to total 30 days. Now solution cross multiply. 4x minus y upon 2 is equal to 30. Then 4x minus y is equal to 60. This is the equation number 2. On solving the equation 1 and 2 we get, on solving equation number 1 and 2 we get, so x minus y is equal to 3 and this 4x minus y is equal to 60. By using equation 1, this equation 2. By using elimination method, this negative, positive, negative cancel out. Minus 3x is equal minus 57. Minus minus cancel out. This multiply transfer to right side will become divide here. So we can write as here 57 upon 3 means x is equal to 19 years. Putting value of x in equation, first we get so x minus y is equal to 3. Either you can put this equation number 1 or equation number 2. Now 19 minus y is equal to 3, minus y is equal to 3 minus 19, minus y is equal to minus 16, minus cancel out, and this y is equal to 16. Therefore age of Aniz and Biju's is 19, 16. This is your answer. Okay student, now let's go to the next question. Question number 2. Okay, student. Now let's go to the solve the exercise 3.7 optional question number 2. Now first I read this question. One says, give me 100, friend, I shall become twice as rich as you. Means दो फ्रेंड्स हैं A एंड B. A B से कहता है कि give me 100, आप मुझे 100 रुपीज दे दो. I shall then become twice as rich as you. मीन्स मैं आपके पैसे का 2 times हो जाऊंगा और आपसे रिच हो जाऊंगा. द अदर रिप्लाइज मीन्स अदर फ्रेंड्स B सेज करता है, इफ यू गिव मी 10, मीन्स यदि आप मुझे ओनली 10 रुपीज दे दो, आई शैल बी 6 times एज रिच एज यू. मीन्स मैं आपके पैसों का 6 times हो जाऊंगा और आपसे रिच हो जाऊंगा. टेल मी व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ देयर respective capital from the Vijayanita or Bhaskara. Now solution. Student, let one friend's money be X and other friends money be Y rupees. Now other friends money be Y rupees. Now according to question, one friend says give me 100, means X plus 100 is equal to I shall be 2 times as rich, means 2 into Y minus 100. Now multiplication, X plus 100 is equal to multiplying bracket 2y minus 200. Then this transfer left side, sign will become change, minus 200 minus 100. So x minus 2y is equal minus 300. Equation number 1. And other says, if you give me only 10, I shall be 6 times as rich you. Means then according to the next question, I shall, if you give me only 10, I shall be 6 times as a rich you. Then 10 is equal to 6x minus 60. Then transfer this. Y plus 10 minus 6x plus 60 is equal to 0, minus 6x plus y plus 70 is equal to 0, minus 6x plus y is equal to minus 70. This is the equation number 2. Now on solving the equation number 1 and equation number 2, x minus 2y is equal to minus 300, minus 6 plus y is equal to minus 70. Now first and this second, so multiply here 2, then x minus 2y is equal to minus 300 and this minus 12x plus 2y is equal to minus 140. Now equation 3 and this is the equation number 4. This negative positive adding equation 3 and 4, minus 11x is equal to minus 340, cancel, 0, 4, 440. So x is equal to minus 440 upon 11 minus cancel, 11 4 ja, x is equal to 40 rupees. Then putting the value of x in equation first, we get putting the value of x in equation first, we get or we have, so x minus 2y minus 300, x of value 40, 40 minus 2y is equal to minus 300, minus 2y is equal to minus 300 minus 40, so minus 2y minus 340, y is equal to minus 340 upon minus 2, y is equal to 170. Therefore two friends have money. X is equal to 40 and y is equal to 170 rupees. Now this is your answer. Okay.